I want you to imagine a world where kindness thrives, equality reigns, and compassion inspires. This is a world we should all want. We should all want to live in harmony. This is what we call building a better world together.
Let's reduce, reuse, and recycle. These are some very important principles we should live by to make our planet habitable. No matter how big or small it is, every action counts to protect our planet.
Let's all come together and stand up for justice, equality, and inclusivity. Everyone deserves the right of respect and dignity.
We must prioritize our mental wellness as it is one of the most important factors of us humans. Your mental health matters to the people closest to you, and it shouldn't matter the most to yourself.
Let's build bridges, not walls. All people should come together in harmony so we can live on Earth peacefully. We should never create boundaries on each other. Together, we rise no matter how big or small the problem is, and we can all solve many problems that come our way if we all stick together as a unit. Join the movement, make a difference, be a hero. Every action counts to make the world a better place for not just ourselves, but for everyone living on Earth with us. Us, humanity, are a community, a unit. We're all connected. So, join us as we all contribute to making a big change.
As one, we are all building a better world together.